The art of giving was what teaches you the art of living, and this is living proof. This is another level altogether. It's just binding everybody so closely. Tells the Western world about our culture. And the fact that moved me the most was the disciples who selflessly given up everything to be a part of this beautiful journey. They've taught me so much today, it's unbelievable. I met this girl who had done seva for a year, married from Miami, and the kind of satisfaction and the kind of lakshan that I see on her face is absolutely amazing. And that's what people eventually look for, that satisfaction. This is what success is all about, learning so much in life so early. I think living life by doing things for others selflessly is what this is all about. So you learn the art of giving and thereby learn the art of living. Be here and you'll understand what I'm trying to say.